All right, good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday. It is Halloween, 10/31/2023, and the Feds are meeting today. The Feds are meeting today. So if we look at the economic calendar, let's bring it up this side here. Let's go ahead and take this out. We will have a decision again tomorrow at 2 p.m. right here. All right, so there'll be a meeting today. There'll be in a meeting tomorrow, and at 2 p.m. we will have a decision on what's happening with the rates. All right, so that is a huge decision that's happening today. Tomorrow, Wednesday, November 1st. Today we have the employment is at 8:30. That already happened. No big deal. Not a move really in the market. 9:45 Chicago PMI consumer confidence. That's at 10. So also not a big mover. It's like a medium impact on the market, just like the employment cost. But if you look at 8:30, nothing major or any major movement happened at 8:30 because of it. So big move will be tomorrow. FOMC rate decision. That'll be a big move that we are waiting for tomorrow. Let's go ahead and move this to the side here. All right, so we are ready. We have already plotted our lines. This is our 5-minute chart. If you guys see it here, lines have been plotted. So now we are just going to wait and see what the market gives us. If you look at the higher time frames are bullish so far right now. Even the 1 hour, it's currently in between the 100 moving average. Um, the 15-minute is currently, in between the 50 and the 100, and so is the 30-minute. Now, if you look at the 5 minutes and the 2 minutes, they are both bearish right now. So we'll see. We'll see what the market gives us, and then we'll go ahead and make a decision. It is 9:12. I will come back at 10 unless something comes up that is definitely something that we should trade immediately. If not, then we will make a trade after 10 a.m. So I'll be back. Actually, looking at this setup here, let me go ahead and see how this looks here. All right, I'll be back. All right, market is open. First candle right here, man. That was a huge one. Went up, then came down. Crazy. Think I'm gonna take one just for the heck of it.
Order filled.
Just quick. There we go. 50, 62. I'm gonna go ahead and take it.
Order filled.
Closed in at 50. Should have gone in with like 5 contracts there. I want to see some kind of pullback. All right, so far we're up $150 with that move there. All right, I'll be back. All right, here we are. waiting to see if I can get in this pullback here. Trying to wait for a new candle here. Because remember, guys, if it goes away from the moving average, it will eventually go back to the moving average. So when it's spread out like this, you got to make sure and see if, is it going to go back to it and touch it? Are they going to meet? Here's another 5 minutes. The 15-minute, it's looking very, very well for a potential put. But we still have 4 minutes to go to get a new 15-minute. All right, I'll be back. Okay, we have a new 15-minute candle.
Order filled.
This is a high-risk trade right here. All right, we're going to leave it there to play out. I'll be back. All right, guys, it's still struggling here. Let's see how it continues. 25, 0, negative 50. So I will still be holding. See what happens here. I'll be back. All right, there it is again.
Order filled.
I got rid of one. And come on, come on. There we go. Give me 50, 50, 50.
Order filled.
All right, I took that one too. All right, we're up 325 so far. Let's go again.
Order filled.
And this time we're going to take it.
Order filled.
That one sucked. 350. Give me another push up. There we go. Come on, another push up. Another push, 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 push. Oh. I'm looking at the 15-minute and it looks very, very good, but all right, I'll be back. I got in again, guys, and I'm getting out.
Order filled.
We're up 500. So far, we're up 500. All we've done is short. So all we've done is puts. The reason I decided to short this one here is because we had another area here, broke that one, took this one, took this trade here. All right, I'll be back. All right, I'm thinking about trading this pullback here. It was white. I was waiting for, there was a white candle, but by the time I came back on,
Order filled.
high risk here, high risk. See, look, it's going to touch that 5 here. All right, I'm going to let it play it out, see what happens. Oh, it's coming back down. Let's see. No, this 2 minute was a bullish candle here. See what happens. Once I see green or something, I'm just going to get out. All right, I'm going to let it play out. It's coming back down into the area where I came in, but it's still just touching that line there. I need another small push so at least I can get out of it, because right now it's just standing there. If not, I will buy another one just to average a little bit higher and then maybe get that push. But remember, if you buy more, you can get closer, but if it goes higher, then you're losing more, right? So you just can't buy in and buy in and buy in, because then you might find yourself in a hole deeper than how you started. So I'll be back. Here's another thing. We had major news at 10. Has a red impact on it. And I totally forgot about that. I don't know how much impact it's going to have. It's the manufacturing index. Job, let's see. Oh, no, we're good. We're good. It's just medium impact. Consumer confidence is at 10. We'll see what happens with that one there. So we'll let it play it out a little bit. All right, there it is, guys. Major. That 10 o'clock came in, and I am not liking it at all, guys. All right, that 10 o'clock happened, and there was a medium impact. You can see it went drastically, really quick down. So we'll see if we can, struggling to continue to go down. We have a new 15, we have a new 30. Once I see it, I'm going to just take it. I'm going to take it.
Order filled.
575. I don't care if it dropped like this. I don't care if it continues. Here, the game is risk management, right? We were holding on to that trade for a while, right? So once that happens and you see a lot of things going, wicks all over the place here, indecision here, this went up and down like a few times, get out, right? So that's what we're looking for. For me, I don't care if it gives me, another whatever. It's just, let's get out. And that's what we did. All right, we're up 575. 575 here. All right, I'll be back. Mind you that we started at 9:30, right? Or no, we took our first trade like around 9:35 or something like that. 9:35, 9:40. It is 10 and we are already up 575. So this is one of those days that you just like, listen, for 30 minutes we made $575. I'm good. I'm done. Turn it off. Move on to the next day, right? Since you guys are managing one account, you're looking at um it could have been either 187.50 that you made, it could have been $212.50, it could have been $150. So I mean 150 or $212 in 30 minutes, that's still good, right? So the reason I said it could be either because I have three accounts, but it doesn't mean that every account executes at the same time, right? So that's why I have different numbers. Sometimes they're all the same, sometimes they're like this. So, all right, this might seem like a good opportunity here.
Order filled.
All right, we'll let her play for a little bit. I'll be back. Struggling to break my entry there. Oh, that was a big one. All right, got out with
Order
one.
filled.
With two, I got one left. And I'm going to go ahead and take it.
Order filled.
And that's it for today, guys. That's 1,012. 1,012. I want you guys to see that it's 10:37, right? So I took my time just waiting. Um, as you guys already know, I am more of a bear trader, so I like to go short. I like to do puts, and as you can see, it was going up. So I just let it. I let it go up. I just waited for the right opportunity, and I knew I was like, all right. So we put the nine. This is the high of day, right? Of the start of the day, the low of day. So I just let it. I let it. And I waited for my opportunity, right? And the opportunity wasn't in this candle. It wasn't here when it got pink. It wasn't this one. No, I took my time, right? Got below the nine moving average. I like how the 15-minute looks as well when it started. Even though the 30-minute is ranging, I was like, all right, I'm going to pay attention to the 15-minute because, I'm not going to keep it forever. I'm just going to keep it for a few minutes, right? Or even a few seconds. The 2 minutes looks really good as well, right? This is at 10:34. This is at 10:35. So 10:34 gave me a bearish candle, right? And then I just waited a little bit longer, got in, and boom. That was a big move. So today, if you were trading just one account, you could have made either $300, 312, or 375. All right. And I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna call it a day right now. I'm up 1,012.50. I only had one loss, I guess, a loss of $12.50. I guess one of the contracts earlier today did not close in the money, so that was about it. Other than that, it's 10:39. Market opens at 9:30. 1 hour work day, and I think we're good. Okay, I think we're good. So I'm gonna call it right here. I'm gonna end it right here, and I will see you guys tomorrow.